just finished my popsicle and it was amazing. Thank you, Bomb Pop. I have a brain freeze. That was that. Now we have these, which are called prolines. So they're like these little twisty things. They're called chocolate. They have chocolate hazelnuts in them, and they're cream-filled wafers. So here's some ASMR with that.
Tenemos unos resultados para nuestro tranquilito increíble. Receta de mi amiga Titi, pero es infalible. Ahí en este momento ya que ya he pasado un par de veces para hacer padre, ya la masa empieza a tornarse un poco más delicada. Pasamos por el rodillo y ya vamos a tener muchísimo cuidado de no la ¿sabes? Entonces continuamos aquí, pasando con un poquito de harina también por la parte de fuera para pasar por nuestro rodillo y lo que queremos. 4 o 5 empujando. En ese momento comenzamos a afinar la masa. Ya no soltamos tanta harina y vamos a ir afinándola hasta un grosor de 1 milímetro, 1 milímetro y medio aproximadamente, dependiendo de...
Okay, so I finished my proline ASMR. It was mucho gusto. Very delicious. So, let me get something. We have this enormous heap of cookies. So, these are where the cookies are from. They're from all across here. Now, but look at them. Oh. So, let's choose them. I think I'll do these two. Okay. So I have them now, and I'm going to eat some.
Aceite 160 a 170 grados aproximadamente, y una vez que lo metemos en el aceite le vamos a dar un menú, como está viendo aquí. ¿Para qué? Para ayudar a alojarle a abrirse. Muy fácil de hacer estos pastelitos. De verdad te digo que de 0 a 100 los tienes listos en menos de 40 minutos. La pinta que tiene este legúmeno, ahora los vas a freír para que tengan el dorado caliente. A mí me gusta dejarlo así, bien cremito y a papel absorbente para que suelten el resto de aceite que tengan y continúa friendo pastelito. Mientras que el pastelito acaba de soltar el exceso de aceite, preparamos una cantidad, misma cantidad de agua y de azúcar. Para 4 pastelitos de azúcar, 50 gramos.
Okay. So those were yummy. So far, we've had one of these, and 2 of these. Let's put that back. So those were very scrumdiddlyicious. Now let's pick some candy. Whoa, this looks scrumptious. Let's eat it. So let's unroll it here, as you can see. Mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Whoa! This looks delicious too. It is chocolate. Whoa, this looks, I think this is chocolate from around the world. This one looks like Colombia. So some Colombian chocolate. Daddy, can I eat this Colombian chocolate?
Yes.
I've never had Colombian chocolate, so this should taste yummy. Let's unbox it. It looks yummy already. You should definitely maybe. I'm trying this so you won't have to try it. So I can tell you if it's good or not. Whoa! This comes with its own little, sticker of the ocean. This is what it looks like in Colombia. The ocean in Colombia. So this is really cool. And you can also take it off the wrapper and oh, wow. I think it's a sticker. You get a sticker. This is awesome so far. I recommend this. So let's now try it. This is the real part. The first bite, you would think it's really bad, but then once you keep tasting it, it's really good. It's amazing. Okay, so this is what really made me surprised. Okay. Now what should I try? Let's see.